November 6th. And when we scroll down and we open up Monday's folder, you will see that right here, highlighted, you are going to log into Teams at 8:45. We will be completing the math benchmark test, just like we did before with reading, where we go into School City. So it's going to be very important that you are on time for that assessment. In Monday in Reading, you are going to read a myth. It is titled Demeter and Persephone. So myths, boys and girls, often explain why something happens in nature. You are going to just read this myth so that we can discuss it on Tuesday during our live meeting. After you read the myth, Demeter and Persephone, you're going to watch Vocabulary Day 1, this is a video, and then read independently for 25 minutes. The text that you're going to read the myth is located right here in Monday's folder. And let's go back. Also, you have this page. I know you guys had them in your binder before up to week 8, but after week 8, you've had to print these. These are your vocabulary words and the definitions for this week. Let's take a look at Tuesday. We are going to have a live lesson at 9 o'clock. If for some reason you cannot attend that meeting, please watch the recorded lesson. It will be uploaded right here after our live meeting. You will need to print and complete this page right here, the story elements chart and character change. There's 2 sections here. The first one we will use for Demeter and Persephone. The character change part is for a different myth that we're going to read on Wednesday. So on Tuesday, you're just going to complete that top portion only, and then you will be uploading that on Thursday. You're going to watch the Vocabulary Day 2 video and read for 25 minutes. When we go into Wednesday's folder, Wednesday we're going to be introduced to a new myth. It is titled Cochin and the Spirits. And we are going to have our live lesson at 9 o'clock. You will need your Making Meaning workbook. That's one that we've used a couple times. Again, if you're not able to attend the meeting, please watch the recorded lesson before you begin working today. After the live meeting, you guys are going to complete the bottom portion of that story elements and character change page. You did the story elements for Demeter and Persephone. Now you're going to do character change. Focus on one of the characters, Shakok, in this myth, Cochin and the Spirits. After that, you're going to watch Vocab Day 3 and then read for 25 minutes. Then we go into Thursday. Again, we're going to have our live lesson at 9 o'clock. On Thursday, you should have this page completed now, the top and the bottom portion, and you are going to upload that. You should have the upload or submit here page right here. You are also going to complete a discussion board written response. You are going to describe how these 2 myths, Demeter and Persephone and Cochin and the Spirits, are similar and how they are different. Make sure you look at the rubrics so that you get full credit for this response. After that, you're going to watch the Day 4 vocabulary video and read for 25 minutes. On Friday, wrapping up our weekend reading, there is no live lesson on Friday morning. We want to give you guys time to complete your reading assessment. That is right down here. And watching this Day 5 vocab video. You're going to go back and review some of the words you've previously learned. So that wraps up your weekend reading. If you have any questions, please ask me. And I hope that we have a great week. Thanks.